Hey everyone, my name is Jen Bucci and I run the social media for Home Pro Match. Today's Home Pro Match question is, what is concrete leveling? Maybe you have a sidewalk that is uneven or cracked concrete driveway. Concrete leveling is a process of leveling out uneven concrete. Rather than replacing your uneven concrete slabs, concrete leveling allows you to even out the concrete without a messy process. Concrete leveling is done by concrete repair experts. They drill tiny holes into the uneven areas of your concrete and inject a polyurethane solution. This solution immediately expands and fills these gaps, evening out the concrete. If you have uneven concrete slabs, concrete leveling is a less invasive, cost-effective way to go. Visit homepromatch.com today to find your local concrete leveling expert. Thanks for watching.